Hello everyone, my name is Austin Jericho Calvelo Pineda, a BSI 21 student in Polytechnic University of Dapilopas, Quezon. Today, I will present to you my final project in computer programming 1, a simple application entitled RDA Lottery System Machine. Before we proceed to my program source code, this is my description of my simple application. This C++ program simulates a lottery ticket purchasing system for RDA lottery system machine. It prompts users to indicate whether they want to buy a ticket or not. If they choose to buy, they are presented with option for various types of lottery ticket, each with its price. Users then select a ticket type and specify the quantity they wish to purchase along with their lucky number. The program calculates the total amount due based on the selected tickets and quantities. Users are then prompted to choose a payment method, either cash or GCash. Upon successful payment, the program displays the change, if any, and asks if the users want to buy more tickets. This process repeats until the users decide not to buy more tickets or initially declines to purchase any. Finally, a thank you message is displayed as the program terminates. Overall, this program offers a straightforward interface for users to participate in lottery ticket purchasing process. Now, we will proceed to my program source code that I make in C++ code blocks. On the library, I put a include IO stream and include IO manipulator. This is for the input-output operation and formatting respectively. Next is for using name std. This one is for statement to avoid prefixing standard library entities. Next is the function. This is the function sub that defines that takes two integers as input and returns the result of subtracting the second from the first. Next is a function prototype void print lang. A function prototype void print lang is declared indicating that there is a function named print lang defined elsewhere. You can see at the end of my program, I put that void print lang at the end of that. It takes that from my simple application design equals straight. Next is for our several variable declare. For character loop, this is used for controlling the loop. Integer total equals 0, grand total equals 0. Input to bayad is for controlling the loop. Integer variables for various calculation. Next is our integer own. Variable used for storing the user's lucky number. Next is for our character input. Variable for storing the user's input. For buying a ticket, Y for yes and N for no. On this part, this is where my application begins. The system will ask to you if you want to buy a ticket. This is have two choices. If you want to buy a ticket, you will press Y, and if no, type N. Then if you choose yes, you will press the enter on your keyboard. Next is the system will ask to you again, what ticket do you want to purchase? This is the option for the ticket. If you choose number 1, you will play a lucky 6 digit for the cost of 30 pesos. Next is number 2. If you press 2, you pick lucky 7 digit for the cost of 40 pesos. Next is, if you pick number 3, you have easy to 2 lotto or 2-digit number for only 10 pesos. If you press number 4, you get lucky 4 digit for 20 pesos. Next is the system will ask you again, what ticket do you want to buy? Or you will press 1 to 4 or you press 1 to 4 to what kind of ticket do you like to buy? Next is example. If you choose the lucky 6 digit, the system will ask to you how many ticket do you want to buy. Example, if you type 1 only, the system will give you one, one, one ticket. You will input 6 number and then the system will ask you what kind of payment method will you choose, if cash or GCash. Then if you pick cash, the system will ask to you what is your on-hand money, like 100 pesos or 50 pesos, depends on the price of your ticket you choose. Then if you choose GCash payment, I put some password on my GCash password, because the GCash password app has a GCash app has a password before you paid a something you buy. Then if you type a wrong password, it will exit and go to it will go to thank you for using and buying RDA lottery system. If nagtataka kayo bakit RDA lottery system machine ang pinangalan ko, is R stands for my first name of my mother and D stands for my first name letter of my brother and A is for my starting first first letter of my name. No. Now we are going to run my code. Show to you how my source code runs. The system will ask to you, do you want to buy a ticket? You will press the Y and enter, and then enter again, and press any key to continue, enter again, and the system will ask to you again, what ticket do you want to purchase? This is the option I give you today, like binigay ko kaganina. And I want to buy a ticket that has 6 digits. So press 1 that costs 30 pesos and press enter. Press any key to continue, enter again. How many tickets do you want to purchase? Only 1 ticket for 30 pesos. And then the system will ask to you your lucky number. I will pick my birthday, my mother's birthday, my grandmother's birthday, my brother's birthday, my tito's birthday, and my grandparents' birthday. Now, the total amount is 30 pesos. So, I will select a payment that cash. Halimbawa, I have a hand money that costs 100 pesos and the total amount of ticket that I'm purchasing is 30 pesos. Now, if I press the enter, the system will give me the change that I will receive. My money on my hand is 100 pesos and I need to kailangan ko bayaran yung 30 pesos na yun, yung binili kong ticket. Now, we will try a GCash payment. Press again the Y for yes and press any key to nyo. Now, I pick the Easy2 Lotto. So, I press number 3. Now, we will wait the press any key to continue. Now, how many tickets do you want? Gusto ko is 3. I will pick my number. Again, now. Kasi yung pinili ko, tatlong tickets. So, tatlong ticket din yung ilalabas ng screen ko. Ipapakita niya kasi tatlo yung gusto ko i-purchase na ticket. Next is 34, 25. And last 4-hour ticket is 12 and 22. Again. Now we will using a GCash payment. Right, right after I said late, pag kanina, I input a password that 1234 because GCash payment method has a password. Now I press enter, payment GCash successfully. What if ayoko na bumili? I will type a N word on my keyboard and press enter. Press enter again. And that, thank you for using and buying in RDA lottery system machine. Now, and, and that's all. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoy and learn on my C++ simple application RDA lottery system machine.